If you are looking for how to insert a vertical line in MS Word, or in other words vertical pipe symbol, how you can insert in MS Word, the first method is the S key or the Unicode. You need to type 007C and press the Alt X altogether, and this is what you can see, that this vertical pipe symbol is inserted. So you can select it and make the size bigger as per your choice. In the second method, you need to click on insert, go to the symbol and click on more symbol. In the font section, you need to select norm tags, and on the subsect you need to select basic Latin, and here in the character code you need to type 007C. Once you type it and click on that and enter on that, you will redirect to the pipe symbol. Just select it and click insert, click close, and here you can see that. In the third method, you need to press shift key, and here you can see that del key. Along the del key you can see that pipe symbol over here. Just you need to press it, and here you can see that the pipe symbol has been inserted. So I have shown you on the on-screen keyboard, so it is very easy and very simple. You just need to press shift plus backslash key, so this symbol will be inserted. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.